This is a short review of ELIKLIV EM4K microscope. I bought it from Amazon. So to power it on, just press and hold power button. And regarding accessories, when you buy it, you get this awesome remote control, anti-reflection, this light ring, and also UV filter, just basically the glass. Regarding the base pad, it has some limitations. One limitation is would be if you are working on a PC motherboard, you are limited of what you can see, because you cannot move your board. This stand will get, and these LEDs will get into your way. So another thing is we can power this base pad from main unit. So here we have 5 volts output, and I will power like that base pad. So base pad also has this light touch dimmer. If the base pad brightness is at 100%, there is no issue, okay? But if you use base pad brightness less than 100%, there is high pitch noise coming from this base pad. I hope you can hear it. Okay, so I reached Amazon because I bought it from Amazon Germany. They just said, okay, send it back. We will do full refund. I kind of like it. I decided to contact ELIKLIV and ask what's going on. So they send another base pad with brand new base pad. There is still same issue. So to solve this, I always use brightness on 100%, and if I need less light, so I just move the light. And also working with these smaller boards, everything fine, but when you're working with bigger boards, sometimes your board will touch this dimmer and it will knock off your brightness setting. So yeah, that's not ideal. I probably would be best to have here some brightness wheel of these LEDs. I think it would be way cheaper and way better. But anyway, this works. Okay, it works. Now regarding the stand, yeah, it also kind of works. You do what it's supposed to do, but going up, as you can see, the LCD it shakes. Going down also it makes this sound. We can tighten it, but then it's it works. It works. So, but it's definitely not great. Now there is also another USB, micro SD card, and micro HDMI output to external monitor. Okay, so how do you actually use this thing? So you have this focus adjustment knob, and yeah, it works very well. We have these LEDs, and you have a remote control. Now if we press, let's say, right, so we can actually even zoom in, and this is quite useful because when we zooming in and zooming out, we don't lose focus. If we use this stand, we will kinda move microscope itself closer to the board, but then we will need to do focus adjustment, and with this we don't need to do that. So that is awesome. Now to make picture also very easy, just press picture button. If you want to make video recording, so you press camera, video camera. So now microscope is recording, and yeah, you know, this is right now what you will get from this microscope. But right now I will move the board, and yeah, refresh rate is decent. There is slight lag, but from what I seen, it's okay. Okay, so it has slight light bleeding on top, but basically just visible in total darkness when you power it on. So it's not affecting, you know, the picture are not affected by this, but yeah, you know, it has this issue. Okay, so we can talk about menu system. So you can press menu here, or it has dedicated menu, push button, and then you can go through some options. So playback, so basically you go into playback, you watch your recorded videos, and you can delete them, you know, so standard things. Now if you go to image, press OK. So you know, you want to press down, but it doesn't work like that. If you want to scroll through all these selections, you need to go to right or left. So automatic exposure, you know, that is not an issue for me. It works well in auto screen brightness. So white balance, that actually useful, because you can calibrate it, you know. So you put white paper on your base pad and you can calibrate it. So that is kind of useful. Now these effects, you can have normal color, video feed, black and white, and actually I like this negative, because it's very easy to read you know, what is written on some transistors, capacitors, and inductors. So actually this is not a gimmick, but actually useful thing to have. Video standards, so photo will be 13 megapixels. I selected 55. I think that upscaled. Video output 4K 30 frames or 1080 60, so it depends on what you need, and so on. But I don't see any options to update firmware. You can also use some ruler settings here, also to make some lines. So okay, so right now microscope connected to external monitor, and I'm recording also video on microscope itself. So if I move, yeah, there is slight lag, but from this microscope to external microscope I don't see a difference. So, you know, I think that is good enough. Now also, if we use menu, so this menu will not be shown on external monitor. I think that is quite okay. And also, let's say in this case I will try to increase brightness. Okay, so if I'm increasing brightness, so external menu brightness also changes. So obviously you can use it for coins. That is very awesome. Okay, so I will start video recording from Microscope also. So right now it is recording. So it is what it is. You can kind of, you know, select the position of these LEDs to make some shades. Also you can, for some YouTubers could be useful, you know, to record some videos of the, maybe of the clocks, but then again you need to figure out best settings and to do that, but it's possible, kind of. You know, you obviously need more lighting, external lighting, to get better picture, but you get the point. I use it for soldering, so for that it's perfect. And yeah, if you're wondering, I totally recommend it.